guys, my name is Isabella and today I am going to make Cakesicles. So what we need is some sprinkles. We have some crumbled cake, buttercream, and some wooden popsicle sticks. We're gonna have a bar of dark chocolate to melt it, and we also have candy melts, this ice cream mold, and we also have this scraper. This is one of my favorites because we can scrape it off if there's any mess during at the side. We can just like scrape it. I've already washed my hands and tied up my hair, and it smells really good because someone put this very refreshing and nice smell in it. To put 2 tablespoons of this buttercream, doesn't really smell of anything, into this cake mix. So here's, come on, what, spoonful 1 and spoonful 2, maybe 1 more, just this tiny bit. So now I'm going to use this glove to crumble everything together. We're gonna knead it like this. I think this is perfect now. Okay, so now I'm gonna melt this chocolate, and what we're gonna do is throw this away. No, I'm kidding. What we're gonna do is get a knife and chop it. And then we're going to put it in this bowl and put it in the microwave. This knife is really sharp, so my mom's going to do it for me. I'm going to put half of it in the bowl. Now we're going to heat it up. In the meantime, I'm going to taste some. So we've heated it up, and now we are going to cool it down by putting the other chocolate in. I'm going to stir it. It's like burning hot. I love making cooking videos because just like in my previous cooking videos, like that cookie one, that cupcake one, that was so fun. This one is the best. So now we're going to let it drip and quickly pour it. So now we're going to put this cake dough in. We're going to take a little bit and then stuff it in. To put these four in the fridge. They are now cool, and now we're going to put some chocolate on the top. Ooh. Try and get it all nice and neat and flat. The Cakesicles are done, and now we're going to melt the candycles. Put the sprinkles on. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to see more baking videos, subscribe. Bye! Those are totally worth it. Bye!